Hi, and welcome back to another EPC Teardown Guide. Today, we're going to look at the Lenovo Thinkpad T14s Gen 3, released in 2022 with an Intel i7-1270p processor. It's a simple teardown guide, and we're going to show you how to do it. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. First, you're going to unscrew the 5 captured screws in the backplate. Then you're going to remove the backplate. Next, you're going to disconnect the battery cable. This is very important to do because you could short circuit some other parts if you don't do that first. Then you're going to unscrew the 3 screws holding the battery in. And remove the battery. Next, you're going to unscrew the 2 screws holding in the USB daughter board. Disconnect the ribbon cable, and then remove the daughter board. Next, you're going to unscrew the metal plate that holds the SSD in place, and remove the metal plate. There are 4 screws holding the heatsink in place. You're going to unscrew those in the numbered order here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're going to disconnect this cable connecting the fan. Unthread the cables held down by the fan and heatsink, and then remove it. Next, there are 2 cables connecting the display to the motherboard and 2 Wi-Fi antenna cables, all connected to the lid assembly. You're going to disconnect those by lifting up these 2 flaps. Disconnect the Wi-Fi antenna. There are 3 screws holding in each hinge. You're going to unscrew those. Now that the hinges are unscrewed, you're going to open the unit. Unplug these cables here. And remove the lid. There is also a power button daughter board held in with 2 screws. Remove those. And remove the daughter board. And there are 2 more screws holding the button in. Remove those 2 screws. And remove the power button. The touchpad is held in with 7 screws. One of them is hidden under this ribbon cable. We're gonna peel back this paper. Disconnect the ribbon cable and remove it. To unscrew these 7 screws, we will need a different bit. Now we can remove the touchpad. The speaker is held in by these two screws and connected to the motherboard here. We're going to remove these two screws. Disconnect this cable and remove the speaker. All that's left is the motherboard, held in by these four screws. First, I'm going to change back to the other bit. Before removing the motherboard, make sure these ribbon cables are disconnected. Now, there are 5 screws holding the motherboard in. We remove those 5 screws. And we can remove the motherboard. And that's how you tear down a Lenovo Thinkpad T14s Gen 3.
Don't feel like doing a teardown yourself? Have not just one, but hundreds of devices taking up space? EPC is a global leader in the ITAD field, and it's our goal to reduce e-waste and give devices a second chance. Reach out to us today to learn more.